This 1862 Second Empire House has stood for more than 160 years, a witness to generations who built their lives within its walls. It was built by Peter and Phoebe Morris, early settlers who helped shape their community, a local druggist, and later the Brush family cared for the home for over a century. 3 generations of the Brush family lived here, and they filled it with love, laughter, and memories. Now the house stands quietly weathered by time, but still full of life and history, mostly still intact, and waiting for someone to carry its story forward. Through my newly formed nonprofit, this will be the very first restoration, the beginning of a movement to save and protect historic homes like this one. Our goal is to preserve these irreplaceable pieces of everyday history, register them, and place easements so they can't be torn down, flipped, or stripped of their character. Because these homes aren't just old buildings, they're the stories of who we were and who we still can be. My goal was for 1,250 people to donate $20. We can get enough money to get our nonprofit in the door and to start saving this old house. Thank you, and I hope you follow along on our journey.